Hello, my beloved and wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you dey watch me from. Now me, una personal person, Lady B Good. We dey bring una this ogbonge news when we receive for our studio, I5 studio. And our header talk and say, pikin when they put for back, e no know how the road far reach, and wetin elder sit down dey see. Even if say small pikin climb the highest mountain, e no go fit see am. My people, abeg, if today na una first time of coming across our channel, make una no forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell. May you be the first person to dey notified anytime we upload our video, and also make you share, like and comment. Thank you. Make we go to the main reason why we are here. My people, e get one news when be say e dey fly, dey go for everywhere. E come fly enter our studio. Now we say, we not go fit keep this kind of news. We need to talk, and we need to talk put for this matter. Now about one woman when be say he get 2 children for him boss, and he gets husband for house. The husband when they house, they think say na he get the 2 children. My dear people, this woman may not understand how she take dey. Her name na Moyin Thomas, and the husband when be say he get when think say he get the children na Tunde Thomas. My dear people, this man na he train these children, two children for that matter. Train these children come reach the age when be say they dey so. My people, before we continue, the boss put the woman picture for here. My people, they see her. I beg, may you still also put the man picture. May my people make the reason this matter well. May they see her. How the man take get these 2 children? How this man, madam, una they see the man picture, una they see the woman picture. This one and the woman when you say this man marry put for us, so born 2 children. Open say the man, the feel say na him get these 2 children. This man they take care of these 2 children. I beg the boss, show me the children where. You see these children? This man they think say na him get the children. I beg, make you also show me the boss. My people, Mona reason this matter well. Mona tell me who be the papa of these 2 children. Who these children really resemble. Mona show me. Mona still talk how una see am. Mona give me for una comment. I go through una comments where my people una well done. More go to the other news. My people, una welcome back to I5 studio. E get one good news when be say e still enter our studio. Now say I still can share am with my better people. Now about one woman when they call Rita Ndubisi. When be say e born 4 children. 4 good children, and the woman don't forget 5, making it 9 good children. 9. Unfortunately now, the man will give the woman belly, he don't base. Now so I sit down for my studio. Now I hear my phone, they do now I say, how can still be this one again? Now I pick the call, my people. When I know they call me, now Mrs. Rita Ndubisi. Mrs. Rita say, he not see the father of his children. The man don't base. Now I say make I bring this news come for my people, because this woman Rita is still in the hospital with her 4 children, and this woman now she need help for our country people. I beg my people, make una see the woman and the 4 children, and then beside make una her beg anything when we get to take help this woman, because now she need help for our hand. Make we try to give this woman the helping hand when she need. I beg my people, make una view this woman and the children well. The boss put the woman picture for here, make we see her well. And my people, I beg anything una know say una go fit take help this woman, make we try to take help her. And then the boss come out from here, make we go break small. My people, una welcome back to I5 news. You get this news when be say if they go around and if fly enter our studio, and I believe that some of our viewers don't still see the video. Why be say some never still see her. Now about one man when they call Adams Amake. This man na hairstylist na in the do. And this thing, so when we want to talk, it happened for Sapele for Delta State on the 30th of December. This man sit down for his hand side, his shop, he just sit down for the front. Now saw some gunmen take home. Kill the man instantly. A whole vibrant man with future, 42 years old man.
They just kill the man career, kill the man future, kill the man dreams. My people, this man, so they just waste the man future, waste the man life. I beg the boss, may you put the picture for my people, make they see am. My brother, you don't die, you not go die again. Only wetin I know, say I want to tell you now, may your soul rest in perfect peace. And for those people when be say they do this evil heart, una not go unpunished. I pray Baba God make you drag all of una leg come out. And this case, so the police still dey on this matter. And I pray say that people when do that thing, and go soon meet una. This boy, he need justice, and justice he must get. I beg the boss, make we take break. My people, we dey come for another news. Now here we'll for rest for today's news, and make una not forget to subscribe, like, share, and not forget to also share to your friends to tell them about this our channel. As you do so, Baba God go bless you. And then the man when they behind the editing and the cameraman, now we they call Askiwi the boss. My people, God bless you. See you next time. Bye.